If you're thinking about buying Passpack for your password management needs, then you'll want to know these 7 things before you make a decision. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into what makes Passpack stand out from its competitors, what it's best suited for, and why it might just be the solution you've been looking for. Stick around till the end, and I'll show you how to test it out for free. Yes, totally free, using the link below. First things first, Passpack is a password manager that's designed to help individuals and teams securely store and share their login credentials. Now, compared to well-known players like LastPass and 1Password, it offers a user-friendly, web-based interface that simplifies the process of managing your passwords across multiple devices. This makes it especially ideal for people who need to access passwords frequently but don't want to deal with the complexity of desktop-based systems. Next thing, unlike its competitors, Passpack focuses heavily on team collaboration. It allows users to securely share passwords and access control with colleagues or clients, making it a solid choice for businesses or individuals working in teams. You can assign specific roles to team members, control who can view or edit certain credentials, and track all activity within the app. This is something that platforms like Dashlane lack in their free or basic versions, which makes Passpack an excellent choice for business environments. The third thing, if you're someone who worries about security, Passpack's encryption method will put your mind at ease. It uses AES 256 encryption, which is one of the strongest in the industry. Passpack also stores your data in an encrypted format, and only you, the user, can access the key to decrypt it. So, if security is your top priority, this is one area where Passpack shines compared to some of the more basic password managers that don't offer the same level of encryption. The fourth thing, Passpack supports multiple integrations with other business tools, which is a huge plus if you're running a team or a company. It integrates well with platforms like Slack and Google Workspace, so you can streamline your workflow without having to jump between different apps. This sets it apart from competitors like Bitwarden, which are still building out their business-centric integrations. Next thing, one standout feature of Passpack is its ability to generate strong random passwords. This feature ensures that you're always using secure passwords, and it makes it much easier to handle multiple accounts without reusing the same credentials, which is a huge security risk. For many users, this can be a game changer, especially when compared to password managers that don't provide such comprehensive password generation tools. The sixth thing to know is how flexible Passpack is when it comes to pricing. It offers both individual and business plans, making it scalable depending on your needs. While other password managers may lock premium features behind higher tier subscriptions, Passpack offers a fair pricing structure with free and paid plans that suit a range of users. Whether you're an individual user or a business with complex needs, there's a plan that can meet your budget. The seventh and final thing to consider is its simplicity. While other software like 1Password or LastPass can sometimes feel overwhelming for new users, Passpack keeps things simple without sacrificing important functionality. If you're new to password management software, you'll find Passpack intuitive and easy to use with minimal setup time. Plus, its clean interface means you can get started quickly without dealing with a steep learning curve. So, if you want to give Passpack a try and see how it can simplify your password management, check out the first link in the description below. You'll get access to the best free trial available, plus some exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else. Don't miss out on this opportunity to experience the power of Passpack for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.